I finally gave in and tried the viral tilted cushion foundation. ఇది 2 sizes లో వస్తాయి. I didn't get this Q2 small one, so I got a bigger one for 2050. దీంట్లో ఒక mirror, a puff, and then of course the actual cushion foundation ఉంది. And ఇది perfect time to try this foundation because look at my skin. It's really going through acne scars and pimples as well. Last time నేను ఒక darker shade తీసుకున్నాను and this time it's at least a bit better, but I decided to go with it and see ఎలా ఉంది, how is it, how's the formula working. So coming to the formula, it's very blurring, and after putting on the blush and after a bit of concealer, I tried to make this shade work on me. And దీని విషయానికి వస్తే it's really impressive and it's not at all heavy. అంటే మనకు ఫౌండేషన్ వేసుకుంటే చాలా హెవీ అనిపిస్తాయి కొన్ని, కానీ this is not at all heavy and I'm gonna give it a 5 of 5.